Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tina, and today we're making an orange blossom antioxidant mask. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're making an orange blossom antioxidant mask, and you'll need a few ingredients, of course. You'll need arrowroot powder, green clay, matcha, ascorbic acid, and neroli essential oil. So, this is a very easy mask to make. It's a dry mask, so no preservative necessary. If you decide to hydrate this mask, of course, you would need to preserve it or use it immediately. So you also want to make sure that you don't use metal utensils when you're using clay, as metal can cause reactions that you won't be happy with. So we're just going to add our arrowroot powder to the green clay. So the green clay acts as a cleanser, acts as an exfoliant, and the arrowroot powder helps to absorb excess oil, and it just feels really nice on the skin. It makes a lovely mask. And we'll add the matcha powder. Lots of great antioxidant benefits with matcha, and it's a beautiful color. And it smells good too. And finally, we will add neroli. So first I'm going to mix this up a little bit. It's so pretty. I really like the way that looks. Now, the way the matcha smells is just, there's nothing like it. If you've never had matcha tea, you probably aren't familiar with the smell, but if you have, it's just a really clean, earthy kind of smell, and I just absolutely love it. And it tastes delicious. Okay, so now that we've got that mixed up a little bit, wow, what a beautiful color. So it may seem weird to add a liquid to a powder, but don't worry, it's just fine. You kind of want to just sprinkle it over the surface and mix it in with your powder. There's enough powder here to absorb that oil, but also to give your mask a lovely orange blossom fragrance. And of course, you just want to make sure that you mix it thoroughly. I would suggest using like a mixing blade, but again, it's best to keep metal away from clay. I realize that this isn't hydrated, so the chances of it reacting are very slim, almost none, but still. I just like to be consistent when using clay. Okay, and finally you want to add your ascorbic acid. So ascorbic acid is the most available form of vitamin C. So this is, vitamin C has great benefits for skin. You can certainly research and read more about it. I can't really talk about all the benefits due to FDA regulations, but you can certainly research on your own and find out all the lovely benefits vitamin C has for skin. And there you go. It's that easy to make your orange blossom antioxidant mask. It's an absolutely lovely mask. You can hydrate it with yogurt, with pretty much any liquid that you feel would be beneficial for your skin or you would like to hydrate it with. We hope you enjoy this new mask. Thanks for joining us today. You can see the full recipe by clicking the More button directly under the video, and be sure to subscribe for more great videos.